Unlock the full potential of your Canon EOS R5 and keep it running flawlessly with a crucial firmware update. Before we begin, ensure you have a fully charged LP6NH battery, a blank SD card formatted within the camera, and a computer with internet access. First, insert the fully charged battery and the blank SD card into your R5. Next, navigate to the official Canon support website, locate your EOS R5 model, and download the latest firmware file. Once downloaded, transfer the firmware file directly to the root directory of your SD card. Do not place it in any folders. Safely eject the SD card from your computer and insert it back into your R5. Turn on your camera, go to the settings menu, scroll down to the firmware option, and select it to begin the update process. Follow the on-screen prompts. Confirming you wish to update the camera will display a progress bar. As the update proceeds, do not turn off your camera or remove the battery during this time. Once complete, the camera will restart. Verify the new firmware version in the menu system to ensure the update was successful. Congratulations! Your Canon EOS R5 is now running on the latest firmware, ready to capture stunning images and videos with enhanced performance and new features.